Are you tired of slow hair growth? Are you tired of not retaining length? Are you tired of losing moisture on your hair? Are you tired of bar hair? Are you tired of bar edges? Are you tired of hair fall? On today's video, I will share with you this recipe that will help you to grow your hair faster, longer, healthier and fuller, help you for length retention and moisturize your hair with few ingredients, and one of that ingredient is Vaseline. So stay tuned to see how to mix this Vaseline with other ingredients that will help you to grow your hair to your heart desire.
Romeo was roaming the garden. Saturday was...
Our first ingredient is aloe vera. This is size of aloe vera I'll be making use of. So I've already bring my bowl, a knife and a fork that will help me to scoop out the aloe vera gel. But before now, I've already soaked my aloe vera up to 40 to 45 minutes in water so that those yellow things can go out. So please don't skip this part. Make sure you soak it, okay, to remove those yellow things, because those yellow things cause scalp irritation, okay? Aloe vera gel will help to promote faster hair growth, moisturize your hair, is a great moisturizer. Aloe vera gel will help to treat your scalp problems, stop hair fall, itching scalp and promote faster hair growth and help you for length retentions, because when your hair stop breaking and when your hair is moisturized, you're going to have the chance to retain some inches. So using aloe vera gel is a great moisturizer that will help you to grow your hair. So if you have access in aloe vera plants, please do not skip to make use of it. You can add aloe vera in every of your recipe, and believe me, the result will be gotten on it is mind-blowing. You will never regret using aloe vera in your remedies, okay? Try to incorporate in it and you see how your hair will thrive, your hair will grow, thicken up. If you are experiencing itching scalp or dandruff, dry hair, aloe vera will help you to moisturize your hair, okay? Stop that dryness. After using my spoon, after using the fork to scoop out the aloe vera gel, this is what I have so far. I'm just using my hand to match it a little bit. So after matching it, this is what I have so far. I will keep it aside and bring my Vaseline, my blue seal Vaseline. You can use that Vaseline that has some fancy smell on it, that fancy scent on it, but I'm using pure organic blue seal Vaseline. I scoop out 1 tablespoon of my blue seal Vaseline and also my shea butter, 1 tablespoon of my shea butter. My third ingredient is honey. I also make use of 1 tablespoon of my honey. So next thing is my oil, my homemade oil. You can use any of your hair growth oil, okay, at this point, okay? So I'm going to mix this together, mix this ingredient together. So mix so that they can combine together, but they will not combine very well unless I use hot water to melt it. This my bowl will contain hot water. I'm going to do it. I will transfer this on top of the hot water and continue stirring it. As you can see, it has started melting, okay? I will turn onto the Vaseline and the shea butter and my honey and my oil combined together very well, and also they have melted very well before I will bring it down, okay? So it's very necessary you do this part, okay, to get the best result you desire. Keep on watching to see how to use this, because I will show you how to use it for best results and also how to get the best results ever in applying this recipe on your hair. If you click out at this moment, believe me, you will not get that good result you're supposed to get on this recipe. So once it's have melted, I will remove the hot water, okay, and still turning it a little bit again before I will now bring my aloe vera gel and pour my aloe vera gel on it, okay? So after pouring my aloe vera gel on it, I will still turn it around, stir it. As you can see, this will not combine together because of the water in the aloe vera gel. So what will I do now? I will bring my hand mixer to whip it, okay? You can transfer this in your blender, or if you have hand blender, please make use of it, or normal blender, just pour it on it, okay? If you don't have hand mixer, you can use your normal blender or your hand blender to blend this. Blend until you see that everything have mixed together, okay? As you can see, it has started getting together, okay, mixing together. So I'll continue whipping it until I find out that the oil and the water is no longer, as until everything marry theirself very well before I will stop whipping. Guys, you don't need to skip this video, okay? So after whipping it, this is what I have so far. Everything have melted together, everything have mixed up very well together. You're not seeing the separation of the water anymore. Everything have mixed together. Do you see how slamming this is? So this is the stage of my hair. This is how my hair is like. You're going to use this as a prep, okay? So there's different way you can use this on your hair, and also you don't need to skip the video and you don't need to click out at this moment, because if you click out on this moment, you will not know how to use this for best results. If you really want to grow your hair, please watch this video to the end, okay? So I'm going to use this now as a pre-poo. A pre-poo is a product that you can apply on your hair first before you use shampoo to shampoo your hair, okay? So I'm going to use this now to coat my hair. This is a great moisturizer. If you are struggling for dry hair, if you are struggling for length retention, if you are struggling for slow hair growth, this recipe is a recipe that you need to try on, and you will tell me thank you. Your hair will never break off anymore. Your hair will grow like never before. You will never experience dryness with this recipe. This will grow your hair like never before, because when your hair is breaking excessively, you will not retain length. But when your hair is not breaking, you will definitely retain length. Vaseline, this ingredient contains Vaseline. Vaseline helps to lock in moisture and also promote faster hair growth. The scent with shea butter, the scent with honey. This recipe is very carefully selected, and they are very effective in giving you that length retention you desire. They are very effective in treating your hair and also promote faster hair growth, regrow your hair in crown section, in bald spot, taking up your hair. If there's any of your hair problem area, please apply this recipe on that place. You will see how your hair will grow. Guys, there's no joke on this. There's no joke with this recipe. Try this recipe and come and tell me thank you later. Try this recipe and give me your feedback. You'll see how this will grow your hair, especially for those that are having dry hair, dry scalp, freaky hair, or frizz hair. This will help you to fix that, okay? And also it will help you to retain length. Like as always said, if your hair is always breaking or your hair is always dry, you are not retaining moisture, how can you retain length? But when your hair is always moisturized, you have 100% chance to retain some length, okay? Because your hair is not dry, so you're going to retain some length, okay? So how many times can you apply this on your hair? If you always wash your hair once in a week, you can use it. Or you always wash your hair once in 2 weeks, you can use it. Just use it every of your wash day, and in a month time you see how your hair will dry. Your hair will never remain the same. This recipe is not joke. There's no joke on this recipe. You will see the results. One application, you will see how your hair will transform, and after washing your hair out, you will see a great change on your hair. Whenever you apply this recipe on your hair, do not forget to give yourself a gentle scalp massage. It's very, very necessary, okay? Please let me know when you try this recipe on your hair, or have you tried something like this before on your hair? Have you tried Vaseline on your hair? Only Vaseline alone will give you that magic hair growth. Will give you that moisture retention you are desire of, you are growing of. Please, I want to know when you try this recipe on your hair. I want to know your feedback when you try this recipe on your hair, okay? Or have you tried it? If you're OG on this channel, you know that I have a lot of recipe in this channel. I have a lot of videos in this channel that I use Vaseline because it's working. Okay, if it's not working, I will not be using it on my hair, because so it's working. That's why I'm using them consistent. So try and use this recipe and you come and tell me thank you. If you have not subscribed up to this point, please help me to subscribe. Okay, it helps the growth of this channel, and also turn on your post notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video. Okay, help me to like this video. It really encourage me and it help the video, and also it help the growth of the channel. Share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on today's video. Okay, so after applying it on my hair, I cover it up and I would like this to steam up. Okay, I would like to sit like 1 hour and I will go ahead and do my wash day routine. That is it. Okay, just use it the way I direct you. I'm going to see a great change on your hair. So guys, I have come to end of today's video. If there's anything I did not cover up on this video, please let me know. Okay, and also do not forget to like, share, subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. I love you, but God love you most. Bye.
What's new?